I just took this road just to see how it is. Probably gonna get the same in that Hornad route as well. I'm getting the Munnar flashbacks now. Thinking like, okay, I'll turn off the GoPro. I just had a good view, you know, to show you people. The minute later, I'm getting a view like this. Wow. It's a pretty strong rain. Oh my god. To be honest, Sringeri is not my main checkpoint. The place I wanna go the most is actually this Sringeri to Kudremukh circuit. So that I wanna see. Also, people who don't know about Kudremukh, it's actually wildlife reservation, you know, those kind of stuff. There is a famous trekking spot here as well, like how you have Kumar Parvata and Netravati peak and all, right? So it's kind of like that, pretty famous. We have taken that main right turn from Sringeri circle, and this route goes towards Kudremukha. Alright, must say it again. Man, I fell in love with this Kudremukha route. Oh my god. Man. After that Hemmadi to Sringeri, I thought like it's gonna be it, and Agumbe got, you know, already, you know, GHAT section how it's supposed to be. But man, Kudremukha GHAT, I mean here, right, I mean the roads are wide. They're like literally wide, you know, like proper 2-lane. Look at that. Also, I don't know whether there's a entry fee or something to enter that Kudremukha GHAT. So let's find out. Let me also tighten my rain liner. I can feel that little coolness here. Wow. It's a pretty strong rain. Oh my god. Kerekate Kudremukha. Can I pass? Or should I? It says we need to purchase a pass. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರಾ KA20? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್. So what this is, I think we need to provide them at the exit, I guess. ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು? ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಡು, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ?
ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
ಅದು
ಕಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಗಾಡಿ ನಂಬರು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಗಾಡಿ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸು
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೈಡಾಗಿ
ಹಾಗೆ. So you people got to know about the pass, right? So how it works is they register that what do you say, your number plate, mobile number, the entry time, and I guess it's some kind of, you know, encodes into that barcode, I guess. So you need to provide that barcode in the exit. The route here is neat, it's pretty clean, but only thing you need to be little careful about is the vehicles which are, you know, coming from that side, opposite side. So yeah, it's a pretty narrow road, but how to say it, man, like I would recommend this place, man, any day. It's gonna be like it's not only for monsoon ride, but pretty much sure during summer also this road is gonna be pretty much cool to ride. Climate wise, as you can see, we are literally going through 2 or 3 mountains, so it's gonna be chill, man. Since morning, right, like see, like we crossed AGUMBE, Sringeri, and now we are here. The routes are like top notch condition, you know, except some here and there patchworks are going on, which is pretty common in these rainy days, but other than that, beauty. Let's go. Let's turn on a fog light and hazard light. Hazard light is not needed though. Not that thick fog. It's okay. Spoke too early. Damn, I'm not able to see anything. Oh my god. Let's go. So Dharmasthala, Hornadu, Mangalore. Okay, there's a major turn we need to take here. That's the one. Oh my god. ಹಾಂ, ಹೊರನಾಡು. ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಂ, क्या क्या सर?
किट क्या है
वो बॉक्स है, मतलब वो लैपटॉप वगैरह कैरी करते हैं ना. हाँ, वो वाटर प्रूफ है इसलिए. हाँ हाँ, हम इधर से उडुपी से ही है. हाँ, आप किधर से हैं? ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಸರ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್? ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಚಲ್ಕೆರೆ.
ಹೊರನಾಡು ಹೊರಟಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಊಟ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ,
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೊರನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ this side goes towards Dharmasthala, but man, look at that, I'm not able to see anything after that 100 meter. Whew. Oh my god. I mean, I just took this road just to see how it is. Probably gonna get the same in that Hornad route as well. But oh my god. Dharmasthala is also pretty chill. We'll see. Sometime soon we'll try to take this route as well. But time being we'll go to Hornadu. And to be honest, I don't have anything planned for Hornadu. Okay. I was like, as I said earlier, like I could go to Bangalore directly, but I thought like it's gonna be pretty much boring, you know. Whew. With the visor up, I'm not able to see anything. Okay, so it's gonna get a little bit windy with the but man, so where are we gonna give this pass we got from Kudremukha? Not sure. It's like Hornadu, like literally is in between Kudremukha circuit. So after Kudremukha, I guess you're gonna be entering Modgere, Chikmagalur. So before that, somewhere I guess there's gonna be a check post or something. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. No words. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I'm getting the MUNNAR flashbacks now. But how was it? How was it? I told you, no? It's gonna be fun. I knew it. When I saw that little fog around 8:30 in the morning, I knew it. It's gonna happen the same. Man, feels so good. Feels so much better now. You know? But man, I was just loving every corner. I'm thinking like, okay, I'll turn off the GoPro. I just had a good view, you know, to show you people. The minute later, I'm getting a view like this. So it's very hard to turn off the GoPro. Kadambi Falls. Oh my god. Hi bro. Where you come from, bro?
Bangalore, from Mudigere only.
Mudigere. Okay.
You?
Just staying near Hornadu. Tomorrow I'll go to Bangalore. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿಗೆರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾ? ಹೆಸರು ನಿಮ್ದು? ಸೈಯದ್. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಉಡುಪಿ ಕುಂದಾಪುರ.
ಸೋಲೋ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಸೋಲೋ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿರ ಲೋಕಲ್ಲೇ ಸುಮಾರು ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು 4 ವೀಲರು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಒಂದು 23 ಜಿಪ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ FIR ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ.
ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ?
ಹಾಂ, ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಘಾಟ್ಸ್ ಪೀಕ್, ಅದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
ಇವರು ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂತ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದಂತೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓ,
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಗ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ.
ಹೌದು ಬಾಸು, ಕೀಸು. ಏನ ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಆರಾಮುಂಟು ಸರಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಗಣಿಗ ಓ ಏನಾ Let's take a final pic and head out. Hey guys, sneaky. Still have some 15 more kilometer to Kudremukha actually. After Kudremukha we still have Kalsa to see. Alright, let's head out. So what my boy was telling was, everywhere there is a restriction nowadays, I guess, in the Chikmagalur, you know, especially on the off-roading. But man, every point, I mean, you should not stop here, but every turn there is something to see. Man, what a beautiful trail. It's a beautiful world. Look at that. Wow. Let's go.